Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took plain cabinet doors that I found at a thrift store and made this welcome sign. So come along with me and I hope you enjoy my video. For the first step, I painted the middle of the doors with chalkboard paint. You could use a flat black interior paint and get the same effect. So for the second step, I worked on the outer edges of the cabinet doors. I was making 4 different signs, so I chose 3 different colors. 2 I used a gray, 1 I used a light yellow, and for the third color a light blue. The brand was Valspar. I found this at Lowe's in the sample color section. They were already mixed up and easy to grab. After painting each cabinet door and letting it dry, I wanted to add some dimension to my signs. I did this with the gray by dry brushing white around the edges. The yellow and blue doors were a little bright, so I wanted to age them a little. I started off by sanding and distressing the edges of the cabinet doors. Then I wiped them down lightly with some stain. The color was Colonial Maple and the brand is Minwax. So it's finally time to add the lettering to my sign. I did this with stencils. I had gotten the stencil off of Amazon, and I used plain white craft paint. Started off trying to use a stencil brush, but the bristles were too firm and it tended to leak underneath the stencil. So I went to a sponge. This didn't work out either. For the final step, I wanted to protect the lettering, so I sprayed it lightly with the polyurethane.